You tripping, man.
Hell yeah.
Come on, please.
Why do people walk so motherfucking slow, man? God damn it. Blast that.
Get at least a decent fucking tray flip, man. So many people. God damn it. Shit.
That's the keeper.